Hello, welcome back to our channel. This is Timik TV. Thanks for stopping by. And please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell, of course, so you get notified each time I upload a new video. Today I'll be doing a review on the product called Extreme White Shower Gel. Extreme White Shower Gel. Now, it has the gold color and the wine color bottle. Both of them are 1380 ml bottle size, okay? Now, the gold color shower gel, that's the gold color bottle of Extreme White Shower Gel. It's the super bleaching shower gel. That one is stronger than the wine color bottle, okay? So if you want a shower gel stronger for you, for skin whitening, of course, then use the gold color bottle. It has strong bleaching agent in it and has alpha arbutin as well as other plant essence, but the ingredients are of natural category. Now, this wine color bottle is good. It's also for skin whitening. Okay, if you just want to maintain your complexion or you just want to tune a little bit, you don't want to be so white, then use this wine color bottle of the Extreme White Shower Gel. Now remember, you have to use your soap well. Your shower gel, you have to use it well to get the best out of it. Don't just pour it on you and just wash and that's it. No, apply on your body, leave it on for a few minutes before you wash off. When using your soap, when using your shower gel, don't just bathe and that's it. No, wet your body, massage gently with the shower gel, okay, and then leave it on for maybe 5 minutes or 4 minutes before you wash off. Okay, depending, if you're in a hurry, you can leave it for maybe 3 minutes, 4 minutes before you wash off. But if you have time, you can leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Allow it sit on your skin. Allow the ingredient work for you. Allow the ingredient to get into your skin so you get the best out of your product, out of your shower gel. Okay, any soap you are using, any shower gel you are using, always allow it, leave it on for a few minutes before you wash off. Okay, this shower gel, it's very good if you're making your black soap or your shea proper soap. This shower gel is good. You can use it in your the mixing of your soap. Instead of just soaking your soap with water, soak it with shower gel. Just pour the shower gel, allow it to dissolve your soap, to melt it, and then you add other ingredients as you produce. Extreme White Shower Gel, this wine color one, it's made of pure whitening fruit shower cream. Okay, it has glutathione in it, it has kojic acid, it has licorice, and of course it has SPF 30. Remember I said the size is 1380 ml. Now, this Extreme White Pure Whitening Fruit Shower Cream is 100% natural extract shower cream with difference. It is well refined with a natural ingredient which helps to bring the best color in you by lighting up your complexion and also put your skin in a good state. The SPF 30 will protect your skin from sun exposure. Whenever you're using a lightening product, lightening soap, lightening serum, lightening cream, always try as much as possible to up your vampire game. You know what I mean by up your vampire game? I mean avoid the sun as much as possible. Avoid sun exposure as much as possible. Use your SPF, use protecting clothing so you can get the best out of your lightening product. Now, the ingredient here says it has glutathione, kojic acid, pineapple extract, it's written twice. It has strawberry, orange extract, banana, pear. It's just made of fruit, It has lemon extract and all of that. It has citric acid as well. It's a nice product. If you use it, you're going to like it. this product works so well, just like the glutathione prime shower gel. I did a review on glutathione prime shower gel, so if you cannot go for that one, then go for this. But I think that one is more expensive. That one is 2000 ml though, and I think initially it was selling for 2,500, but now it is sold for 3,000 naira, 3,500 naira, you see. But this extreme white shower gel, you can get it for 2,500 naira or 2,000 naira, depending on the seller. Now, the reason why I do review of different products on this channel is for you to get the one that is available in your area, in your location. Get the one that's available to you, maybe depending on your budget. Now, when I do review of those products, you can make a choice based on your budget, that's what you can afford, or based on the availability. The product is available in your area, use it. Not all the products are available to all my viewers, so anyone that's available to you, you can use it. And another reason why I do so many reviews, for you to choose the one that works best for you. You can try option A. If it's not good, you give it away and try to get the one that suits your skin, and then you stick to it. Okay, don't change product up and down. Not because I do review of this today, you discard the one that's working well for you and say, oh, I want to give this a try, and then tomorrow I'll do another review. You discard that one and say, oh, I want to give this a try. No, stick to what works for you. Okay, thanks for watching. Please click on the subscribe button if you haven't, and don't forget to give this video a huge thumb up. Please like my video.